Hello everybody. I actually just wanted to quickly say thank you guys to everybody that's subscribed to my channel and that's new to my channel. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I started making videos just for fun and it's been pretty cool. I've had a lot of support from a lot of friends and family, so thank you so much. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. You guys, I wanted to show you my new setup. This is going to be my filming setup. That's why I have a chair right here in the corner. I really wanted this to just be like a cute background for when I film videos. I don't really have a designated place of where I film other than just on my, like I'll sit in front of my bed, but I need to be a little further away. My bed's too close to my camera, so I thought this back corner would be really cute. I've always had this right here and this right here, but I added the lights. I thought it would look really pretty on film, and then I added this little what do you guys think? I'm excited to film a video and see what it looks like. So I just got to the nail salon. Well, I'm still in my car, but I just want to show you guys my nails before. They're super long already. You could tell by all this gap here. I'm probably going on like my third or fourth week. My nails grow pretty long. And I did gel, but I think I'm going to try the dip powder. So let's see what I do today. So I got my nails done, you guys. This is nail dip powder. First time doing it, it's a lot thicker, I think, than gel. It takes a lot longer too, but I really like the way that it turned out. Now it's time to get some editing done. For those of you wondering, I use Filmora, Wondershare Filmora to edit all my videos. They just came out with this new update called Filmora Pro. And it reminds me so much of Adobe. I forget what the editing program is that Adobe has. I also have it too, but I just feel like this is exactly the same, but it's a lot more inexpensive and just doesn't seem as intimidating. I don't know. I guess because I'm already familiar with the regular Wondershare Filmora, but this one you can film in 4K, which is nice. I'm sorry, not film in 4K, but edit in 4K, whereas the other one you can't. So when I film in 4K with my phone and then I put it into the other program, it looks really fuzzy. So I'm kind of going to play around with it and see if I can learn it. But if you guys have any tips, please let me know, because I'm like really lost right now as far as how this works. This is how we spend our quarantine time, right, Bubba?
Hi, we're the stewards, and our dream is to buy a nice bungalow in the burbs.
Modern city.
I'm not supposed to lay down. I'll figure it out.
You can start saving for your home with the State Farm Bank Money
Debbie!
Market Savings Account.
He's probably too scared to jump down right now.
Wait, Toby.
Yeah, right. He hates the water.
I know he does. Look at him. Staying away.
Wow, it's pretty.
Pass me that little bead.
Okay. Okay. Started raining again. Good thing that we beat the rain. We went hiking and we finished literally just on time because it's starting to freaking pour. Look at this. So yesterday, me and my boyfriend decided that we should go and take a hike. Because it was going to rain yesterday, we didn't think that there would be a lot of people, but it was really packed and it kind of turned out to be a really bad idea. When we were already halfway on the trail, that's when you really started to see groups of people. So we were holding our breath a lot of the times when we passed by these groups and tried to just like stay away from the groups as much as possible. But apparently trails, beaches, and parks were like ridiculously packed, so the governor announced that they're actually going to be shutting down parking access to, you know, beaches and everything. But I guess now that kind of the chaos is done with the markets, I feel like people were just trying to find something to do, and everybody kind of probably had the same mindset, like there wasn't going to be a lot of people, but there was. So you guys, I wanted to show you my latest purchase, and I got it on OfferUp. Let me show you guys. It's really cute. I've been wanting a mirror like this for this section of my room for a while now, but I don't think I want it to be like this. I think I want it to be like that. So, but I haven't put it up yet. I'm gonna most likely put it on the actual wall because I just don't want it to fall. But it's really cool because it has a light. So it lights up and then you hear the beep because it also has Bluetooth speakers on the back end of it. So it's really neat. I really freaking love it. So yeah, I found it on OfferUp and it's called the Smart Mirror. So if you guys want one, look it up. I couldn't find it on Google, but it's really, really cool. So I'm just here. I'm actually going to be filming my favorite nude lip liner video coming soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So I'm putting together the list of the links of where you can get these. It's so pretty. It's sunny outside. My backyard is not nice at all. So not really going to show you that, but it was raining all day yesterday. Just having some green tea. I do work a little bit later. Don't mind my finger. I cut myself with plastic, but I'm okay. And then I'm just watching some TV while I work on this list. What are you guys doing today? You would never even know I live in California considering how cloudy and rainy it's been. But we do need it, so it's not a bad thing. I'm gonna be going to my boyfriend's house and we're just gonna watch movies, quarantine, and chill and eat. But I will be back home later. I'm not working today. So yeah, my stupid cut. It's ridiculous. I got this cut trying to open yogurt, and the plastic thing that was on top, I had the cookies and cream on, the plastic on the top that had like the crumble, sliced my finger right here. I'm okay. Yeah, I have the eyes open. This one has the arm over the white one. They're so cute.